Hola, estudiante. Welcome to Language Blazer. Ready to take the next step in your Spanish language adventure? My name is Ramón, and today we're diving into the most important greetings in Spanish. These are the words you'll use every single day. Let's start with the most popular greeting of them all, which is the famous Hola. This is the king of Spanish greetings. You can use it with anyone, at any time, in any situation. Whether you're saying hi to a close friend, a shopkeeper, or even your boss, Hola is always the safe choice. It doesn't look too hard, right? You've just learned your first official Spanish greeting. Let's take a look at some other ways to greet people as well. You don't want to sound like an amateur, right? The next 3 greetings on our list are a bit more formal. You'll use these when speaking with strangers, public officials, doctors, or anyone older than you to want to show respect. The first greeting of this kind is Buenos días. In English, it literally translates to good days. But the proper meaning in English is good day. Do not take the literal translation seriously. To use Buenos días correctly, you just need to know when is the right time to use it. It's the perfect greeting to use from sunrise until noon, or let's say up to 2 p.m. if we want to be more flexible. Now let's say it one more time to get that pronunciation right. Repeat after me. Buenos días. Don't forget to use the accent on the I. It is very easy to miss. Believe me. The next greeting on our list is Buenas tardes. In English, this translates to good afternoon. You'll notice we switched from buenos to buenas here because the word for afternoon, tarde, is feminine in Spanish. You should use buenas tardes from 12 o'clock noon until the sun goes down. Depending on the time of year and the country you're in, this could be as late as 7 or 8 p.m. Are you ready to try it? Repeat after me. Buenas tardes. The third greeting is Buenas noches, and we use it after the sun sets and nighttime begins. In English, this translates to good night or good evening. The greeting is in the feminine form because the noun noches is feminine. You should start using Buenas noches as soon as the sun goes down and the early evening begins. One thing that makes this expression special is that it works both ways. You can use it to say hello when you arrive at a party, or to say good night when you're leaving to go to sleep. Ready to give it a try? Repeat after me. Buenas noches. This completes the formal greetings trio. Remember them because you will be using them a lot. Now, we move on to a few more informal ways to say hello in Spanish. Don't worry, the first expression is easy. You just say, Buenas, knowing this one is going to make you sound more like a local. Instead of worrying about whether it's morning or afternoon, you can simply say Buenas or Muy buenas at any time of day. It's like saying morning instead of the full good morning. Give it a try. It's short and sweet. Buenas. Now that you know several good ways to say hello in Spanish, let's talk about a few follow-up questions and expressions that we can use right after we greet someone. Just saying hello and walking away can actually be weird and awkward, and some people might see it as a bit rude. Therefore, you often want to follow up with a quick, "How are you?" expression. There are a lot of expressions you can use to avoid being awkward and rude, but we will cover the 3 most common ways to do that. The first one is ¿Qué tal? This is the most popular way to say "What's up?" or "How's it going?" It's very common and often doesn't even require a long answer. Try it. ¿Qué tal? Next, we have ¿Cómo estás? This is the standard, friendly way to ask, how are you? Go ahead and try to pronounce it. ¿Cómo estás? Finally, for a very relaxed vibe, you can use ¿Cómo va? This literally means, how is it going? Why don't you give it a try? ¿Cómo va, amigo? If someone asks you this, don't panic. Just a simple bien, gracias, which means fine, thank you, is the perfect response to keep the conversation moving. Very good. Muy bien, estudiante. This lesson has helped you discover several great ways to say hello and greet people in Spanish. These expressions will come in very handy during the first stages of your Spanish adventure. Take a look at the table on your screen and be sure to write these new expressions down in your notebook. Let's go over them together one more time. Focus on the rhythm. Hola. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Buenas. Muy buenas. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo va? Great work, estudiante. You've learned how to say hello. But what happens next? In the next video, you will learn how to introduce yourself to other people after you greet them. If you want to dive deeper into this beautiful language, head over to the Language Blazer website. You can explore new grammar lessons, read short stories to build your vocabulary, and sharpen your skills with some fun, interactive exercises. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next lesson. See you soon. Hasta luego.